Have you ever wondered how people are making serious profits from cryptocurrency while others are still trying to figure out how to even begin? The truth is, the digital revolution is already underway, and India is becoming one of the fastest-growing markets for crypto investors. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or someone simply looking for an alternative way to grow your wealth, this might be the right time to learn how to start investing in cryptocurrency in India. But before you make your first move, you need the right knowledge, the right platform, and the right strategy. That's exactly what this video is about, a complete beginner's guide to entering the crypto world safely and smartly. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. If you're serious about building financial independence and learning the strategies that can help you grow your money through cryptocurrency, then stay till the end because we'll cover every essential step to help you get started the right way. Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Secrets, your channel for learning how to turn smart crypto decisions into long-term wealth. Cryptocurrency is no longer just a buzzword in India. Over the past few years, it has gained massive popularity, with millions of Indians actively buying, trading, and holding digital assets. According to recent reports, India ranks among the top countries in the world for crypto adoption. Despite the uncertainty around regulations, people are realizing that blockchain technology and digital currencies are not just trends, they're part of the financial future. But the key question remains: how do you actually start investing in cryptocurrency if you live in India? The first step is understanding what cryptocurrency is. At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital form of money built on blockchain technology, a system that records and verifies transactions without the need for a central authority like a bank. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, launched in 2009, and since then, thousands of new coins and tokens have entered the market, each with unique purposes and technologies. Ethereum enables smart contracts, Ripple focuses on cross-border payments, and projects like Solana and Polygon are building scalable blockchain ecosystems. Understanding what you are investing in is the foundation of becoming a successful crypto investor. Once you understand the basics, the next step is choosing the right platform to buy and store your crypto. In India, several reliable exchanges allow you to purchase cryptocurrencies directly with Indian rupees. Popular options include WazirX, CoinDCX, ZebPay, and BitBNS. These exchanges are registered, easy to use, and offer mobile apps that make trading simple. The process usually involves signing up, verifying your KYC with your PAN and Aadhaar, and linking your bank account. Once your account is verified, you can start buying cryptocurrencies in just a few clicks. Many of these platforms also allow you to invest small amounts, even as low as 100 or 500 rupees, making it accessible for beginners. But before you buy your first coin, you need to decide on your investment strategy. There are generally two ways to invest in crypto: trading and long-term holding. Trading involves buying and selling frequently to profit from price movements, which requires time, experience, and risk tolerance. Long-term investing, on the other hand, is a more stable approach. You buy strong projects and hold them for months or even years, allowing them to appreciate in value as the market matures. For beginners, long-term investing is often the safer and more effective option. When deciding which cryptocurrencies to invest in, it's best to start with the top and most trusted coins. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, remain the most stable and widely adopted digital assets. They have strong communities, real-world use cases, and a long history of performance. Beyond those, you can explore altcoins like Solana, Sol, Polygon, Matic, Chainlink, Link, and Cardano, ADA, all of which have promising technologies behind them. However, it's crucial not to chase hype or invest blindly in new coins just because they're trending on social media. Research each project carefully, check their use cases, development team, partnerships, and long-term vision. Security is another critical part of investing in cryptocurrency. One of the golden rules of crypto investing is, not your keys, not your coins. This means that if you leave your funds on an exchange, you are technically giving control of your crypto to that platform. While most exchanges are secure, it's always safer to store your assets in a crypto wallet that you control. There are two types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and are convenient for quick access, but they are more vulnerable to hacking. Cold wallets, like hardware wallets such as Ledger or Trezor, store your crypto offline, offering the highest level of security. Another point to consider is regulation and taxation. In India, cryptocurrency is not banned, but it is also not fully regulated yet. The government introduced a 30% tax on profits from crypto transactions and a 1% TDS on certain trades. This means you can invest and trade freely, but you need to maintain proper records of your transactions for tax purposes. Always follow government updates on crypto regulations, as they are likely to evolve in the coming years. The increasing clarity in regulations could actually attract more investors and make the market more stable. Once you start investing, the key to long-term success is discipline and consistency. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, prices can rise or fall drastically within hours. The best investors don't panic during dips or get greedy during bull runs. They plan their entry, set their goals, and stick to a strategy. One effective approach for beginners is the dollar cost averaging (DCA) method, where you invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market price. This helps reduce the emotional stress of market timing and builds your portfolio gradually. Beyond just investing, keep educating yourself. Crypto is a fast-moving industry with constant innovations in blockchain, DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. The more you understand, the better decisions you can make. Follow trusted news sources, watch educational videos, read white papers, and join crypto communities where you can learn from experienced investors. Knowledge is your most powerful asset in the crypto space. Finally, remember that investing in cryptocurrency is not about getting rich overnight. It's about being part of a new financial revolution and positioning yourself early. With India's growing interest in digital finance, this is an incredible opportunity for anyone willing to learn and take calculated risks. The key is to start small, stay patient, and think long-term. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Tell us what stage you're at in your crypto journey and what topics you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next educational video on crypto investing and wealth building strategies. This has been Crypto Millionaire Secrets, helping you unlock the knowledge, confidence, and mindset to build your financial future through cryptocurrency. See you in the next video.